Ever wondered why some amass wealth effortlessly while others struggle? Welcome to Around Money. In the next few minutes, we unveil the secrets that can transform your financial destiny. Forget the mundane 9-to-5 grind. We're diving into Robert Kiyosaki's game-changing insights. This isn't just another money talk. It's your ticket to financial liberation. From the minds of billionaires like Elon Musk to timeless principles, we're unraveling the blueprint for success. Get ready to shift gears, break free from the ordinary, and pave your way to prosperity. Your journey to financial freedom begins right here, right now. Let's dive in. Author Robert Kiyosaki, known for his book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, introduced an intriguing idea called the cash flow quadrant. According to him, there exists a subtle distinction between the rich and the poor people on the left side of the quadrant work for money, primarily seeking security, whereas those on the right side pursue financial freedom, aiming to avoid a lifetime of exhaustive labor. Here, we explore 8 assets that lead individuals to financial prosperity without perpetual toil. Firstly, let's talk about business. At various points in our lives, we've all marveled at the success of entrepreneurs and questioned how they amassed immense wealth within a single lifetime. Sometimes, we are influenced by Hollywood portrayals, assuming the ultra-rich are unscrupulous individuals who have never faced challenges. However, this perspective is a significant barrier that hampers our financial growth. Building a profitable business demands relentless dedication and effort. Conceiving a business idea and transforming it into a multinational corporation is an incredibly challenging task. Every self-made billionaire, such as Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg, achieved their success through unwavering hard work. The disparity between successful entrepreneurs and employees mirrors the contrast between passive and active income. Entrepreneurs invest immense effort in the initial years to establish their ventures, while employees toil throughout their lives. Entrepreneurs create enduring assets that generate income without constant labor, whereas employees struggle to make ends meet. Entrepreneurs not only secure their own futures, but also provide financial stability for their children, whereas employees often pass away without leaving a substantial legacy for the next generations. Real estate. While establishing a business is a key avenue towards amassing significant wealth, it's not the sole option available. People's financial situations vary widely, and for many, having a stable job with benefits is essential for financial independence. Given these constraints, taking the risk of leaving job security and starting a business might not always be feasible. However, this doesn't mean you have to toil away your entire life working for someone else. There are alternatives to escape the cycle of continuous work. Making strategic investment choices at the right time in your life, particularly when you are young and earning a modest income, can make a substantial difference. The prospect of purchasing real estate might seem daunting, especially on an average salary. This is where the concept of other people's money, OPM, as advocated by Robert Kiyosaki, comes into play. In simple terms, it involves encouraging individuals to borrow money to invest in rental properties. These properties create an additional income stream beyond your regular job. The rental income covers mortgage payments and other expenses, leaving you with extra funds. Furthermore, investing in real estate provides tax advantages akin to having extra money in your pocket. Utilizing these tax benefits can be a wise financial move over time as you acquire more rental properties. You gradually reduce your dependence on your monthly paycheck. This is the point where true financial freedom is achieved. Your assets begin to work for you, and with careful planning, you can diversify your income sources, creating a legacy of wealth for future generations. Paper assets. Many of us are well aware that building businesses and investing in real estate demand considerable time and effort, often beyond what many busy individuals can spare after enduring long work days of 10 to 12 hours. In such situations, Robert Kiyosaki presents an alternative path to financial freedom. This approach requires disciplined financial habits, making it particularly accessible to those constrained by both time and money. Instead of squandering your hard-earned cash on frequent visits to pubs and bars, You can channel these funds into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or G6. Each financial instrument carries its own level of risk, allowing you to select options aligned with your risk tolerance. These investments liberate you from the complexities of managing a business or real estate, enabling you to participate in the success of others' ventures. By consistently saving and investing, you can expedite your exit from the monotonous 9-to-5 cycle and create room for additional streams of passive income in your portfolio. If you are enjoying this breakdown, support us by tapping on the like button. Also, if you need to receive more content about how to achieve your financial freedom regardless of your age, hit that subscribe button down here and turn on the notification bell. Commodities. Do you understand why the value of the dollar fluctuates? It's because paper money is a human-made concept lacking inherent worth. Its value relies solely on government support, and governments can reinforce it because the Fed can print more at will. Consequently, the dollar has no intrinsic value. Presently, the US holds global supremacy, making the dollar highly valuable. However, if another country surpasses the US in global dominance, their currency would replace the dollar. Hence, relying solely on one currency isn't the most effective method to build lasting wealth. The unpredictability of paper currency's worth is a significant drawback. To counter these challenges, wealthy individuals invest in what Kiyosaki terms God's money. Commodities like gold, silver, oil, and even essential food items. These resources will remain valuable to humanity for the foreseeable future. Commodities are irreplaceable assets. We require food for sustenance, energy for transportation and trade, and precious metals for wealth preservation. Unlike paper assets, commodities fulfill these essential needs. Moreover, commodities have limited supply and a consistent demand, making them a reliable defense against inflation. Thus, diversifying your portfolio with commodity investments is a prudent strategy, especially since their value tends to rise during challenging times when other assets decline. Time. We're all familiar with the saying, time is money, but do you understand its origins? Economists argue that time is humanity's most invaluable resource. Money may come and go, even professional athletes can find themselves bankrupt shortly after their first $1 million paycheck. However, time once spent is irretrievable. Youth is a valuable asset because it allows for greater risk-taking. There's a lifetime ahead to recover financial losses. In contrast, as one ages, there's no turning back. Hence, maximizing your time is crucial for retiring wealthy. Someone who begins investing at 20 will accumulate far more than someone starting at 30. Even financial experts like Warren Buffett emphasize the importance of starting young. Another effective use of your time is enhancing your skills. With a standard 5-day workweek, you have 2 days to invest in self-improvement. You can spend this time leisurely or dedicated to personal growth, pursuing a side hustle, acquiring new skills for a job promotion, or exploring a passion. These endeavors might lead to significant positive changes in your life. Ultimately, wealth in any form creates a protective barrier for you and your loved ones. True wealth ensures your security regardless of shifts in global economics. Health. Engaging your time wisely requires mental effort, but maintaining physical fitness is equally essential for achieving your goals and aspirations. Many of us neglect our health and our youth indulging in junk food, unhealthy restaurant meals, excessive alcohol, or even smoking. We often justify these choices believing we've earned some relaxation after hard work, then return to our jobs, content, and ready to earn more only to repeat the cycle. Eventually, we find ourselves trapped in this harmful pattern. These unhealthy habits not only impact our current earnings, but also lead to substantial medical expenses as we age, our wealth. Alternatively, by investing in our bodies through regular exercise, we can not only increase our productivity and income, but also enjoy a long and healthy life with our families. Online assets. Do you realize the initial investment needed to launch a YouTube channel? None at all, it's entirely free. Have you ever gained valuable knowledge from a YouTube video? Most of us have each of us possesses unique talents. Some excel in cooking, some excel in bringing laughter to others, and some are adept in computer skills. Why not leverage your expertise to assist those struggling with what you excel? If your skills are in demand, you'll quickly amass subscribers and YouTube will compensate. You can even start generating income through advertisements. The same principle applies to various online assets, such as online courses, websites, blogs, and social media pages. As your online assets generate revenue, you can transform them into a thriving business, enhance your content, employ staff, and even participate in affiliate programs to boost your earnings. Your network. Have you ever come across the phrase, "a satisfied customer becomes a loyal advocate"? This brief statement emphasizes the importance of building a personal brand or positive reputation. Regardless of the size of your business, while providing excellent services may bring initial success, a few endorsements from your clients can profoundly transform your prospects. Imagine you launch a catering venture. Each event you cater expands your connections because if attendees enjoy your cuisine, they will consider you for their future gatherings. Hence, it's not enough to merely offer quality, you must also proactively promote yourself. Rather than waiting for success to find you, make an effort to showcase the great work you do to the world. Watching this video to the end means that you are serious about your financial growth. So in order to not miss any of our next videos, consider subscribing to this channel Around Money and turning on the notification bell. You will not miss our videos that have the intention of helping you to make money, build a strong business, and reach financial freedom. Until next time, stay healthy and wealthy.